The cyclospore outbreak is still growing, and the state public health department now has some new numbers for that intestinal parasite. Officials are still trying to pinpoint the official cause and how to stop it. In Illinois, there are 408 confirmed cases right now, confirmed and probable, I should say. 31 people have been hospitalized here. Indiana reports 594 cases. Patients in Indiana range in age 8 to 98. Michigan, you might know, is the hardest hit. 7,171 cases. At least 102 people went to the hospital there. We expect an updated number of hospitalizations in Michigan to be released tomorrow. Now, because of that outbreak, local farmers are actually seeing more demand for their fruits and vegetables. One family-owned farm in the northwest suburbs says that their sales have doubled since that outbreak began. Here's Nguyen.
Nick Goitner and his family started Living Roots Farm 8 months ago, growing over 500 pounds of food per week.
Growing all sorts of different things. That's really part of the fun and the experiment of it all. I mean, look how nice that is. It's like angel hair. Each tray is 98 cubes, and they stay in here for about 3 weeks for germination, and then they get transferred into the towers.
The owner and operator of the aeroponic farm in Fox Lake says they're increasing production by another 20% in response to the recent outbreak.
Since the parasite breakout, we've had crazy demand. People are finding us. Everybody wants to know where their food comes from.
Goitner noticed more and more customers are coming into their retail space, including area chefs looking to source for their kitchens and restaurants.
I think it's accumulation of a lot of things. People want to know who's growing their food. They want to know where it's being grown. They want to know what kind of practices are being done. They want to know that it actually has nutrient content.
As federal health investigators pinpoint the exact source of the outbreak linked to iceberg lettuce, Goitner believes this could lead to more food waste in the meantime.
Still, they don't really have a concrete answer for anybody, which I think unfortunately is going to cause a lot of waste in the food system because people aren't going to know what's good or what's bad.
While they don't grow iceberg lettuce here, Goitner says they grow other greens, herbs, and microgreens year-round in their controlled facility.
We're really just trying to bring the community here and let them know that the grocery stores are not the only options. We all deserve better food, better nutrients, and more, having it be local is just such a big benefit.
In Fox Lake, V1 NBC5 News.
Thank you, V.